Understanding how your voice works and understanding how you can actually make your voice deep is the biggest ROI you'll ever have. Happens when you make your voice deep. That could be either through one of my videos or that could be just following my split. Anything, right? The link is in the comment section. You can just follow it. The first benefit is getting more respect and people being more attentive to you when you speak. This does not work when you are some clown who tries to make people laugh all the time. So just do it at your own risk. When you have a deep voice, don't try to make people laugh all the time like your usual behavior. If you're usually funny and you actually attain a deep voice, that could be a contradicting personality, but after a while people get used to it and the new people you meet, and when you actually speak for the first time in front of them, they'll be more attentive to you and they'll have a reaction you'll have a reaction that you do not experience usually, right? They'll often tell you that you have a very deep voice and बहुत सारे लोग तुम्हें ये भी बोलने की कोशिश करेंगे कि जो तुम्हारी वॉइस है वो फेक है और मैनिपुलेटिव है, जो कि तुम्हें इग्नोर करना होगा, क्योंकि जो मेरी वॉइस एक्चुअली डीप होना चालू हुई थी एट द एज थ्रू 16 to 17, उसके बाद मुझे बहुत सारे ऐसे कमेंट्स मिले, क्योंकि जिन लोगों से मैं डेली मिल रहा था, यानी मेरे घर वाले, मेरे दोस्त, उनको इतना चेंज लगा ही नहीं होगा, क्योंकि एज मैं ग्रेजुअली ग्रो हुआ ना अपनी वॉइस में, इट वॉज नॉट लाइक कि एक दिन सोया और अगले दिन मेरी वॉइस 10 मेगाट्रॉन वाली हो गई. इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक I was gradually growing into it and people got used to it as I was getting used to it. So the people who have been talking to me did not experience any change or any sort of, whoa, uski voice बहुत deep है. That type of reaction. The new people you meet, they'll give you this reaction. मुझे बहुत सारे लोग ये भी पूछते हैं कि do you smoke a lot of cigarettes because you have a very deep voice, and my often answer is no. And the second thing, friends will use you as a credibility source. जब लोगों की कोई लड़ाई हो जाएगी या फिर लोगों को अपने पापा मम्मी से बात करवाना होगा और तुम्हें यूजुअली पापा बना के वो कॉल करवाएंगे, दैट इज़ द थिंग यू विल एक्सपीरियंस, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ सक्स टू बी ऑनेस्ट. इतनी डीप वॉइस होने के बाद भी लोगों का पापा ही बनना है, सो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट. एंड द थर्ड थिंग जिसमें तुम सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हो, नहीं, लड़कियाँ तुम्हारे छाती पे आके अपना हाथ नहीं मारेंगी. दैट डज नॉट रियली हैपन. दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ ऑनलाइन बहुत ज़्यादा इसको वो कर दिया है कि लड़कियाँ आ जाएंगी तुम्हारे ऊपर गिरेंगी वगैरह वगैरह. इट्स नॉट. People get used to your voice. It's more like लड़कियाँ तुम्हारे पैरों पे आके गिरे. Jokes apart, it does not happen कि girls will get attracted to you instantly. Of course, there's some sort of attraction when you speak. And if you are a decent looking guy with a good beard and something, this attraction goes to another level. But I'm a guy जो अभी तक beard नहीं उगा रहा है because I shave often. And this is my pick when I grew most of my beard. And after that, I just did not like how I looked. So I just shaved it off. So that is the, मतलब मैंने इससे ज़्यादा कभी beard होगा ही नहीं, so I don't know how I'll look in a good beard, but I'll try to grow it, I guess. And the fourth thing you'll experience is career opportunities. I've been getting calls, like people have been recommending to me, to be honest. Like मैं इस एजेंसी में काम कर रहा था, this was this media agency, जिसमें लोगों को पता था कि मेरी voice deep है, so they kind of recommended me to a voice dubbing agency that was situated in another city. So वहाँ पे मैं जा भी नहीं पाया. And I had to move out and I had to plan a lot of things to actually move out from my house and all that shit, and I did not have the funds to actually move out. So मैं अभी currently इसी city में हूँ जिसमें मैं अभी हूँ, but you just get a lot of opportunities. Like मेरे को इस podcast studio से भी आया था. Like I was just graphic designing and video editing in this media agency, and I got recommended in a podcast studio that was like complete opposite. You have to voice act, you have to voice dub, and these are some random things you have to do. एंड रिसेंटली मुझे एक इंडिया वॉइस फेस्ट करके एक वो हुआ था, लाइक प्रोग्राम और सम सॉर्ट ऑफ, एंड इट हैपेंस एवरी ईयर इन दिसंबर और नवंबर. सो आई गॉट इट. लाइक मुझे किसी ने इसके लिंक भेजी थी एंड टोल्ड मी आई शुड गो करके, बट आई डिड नॉट गो. सो या, so you will get a lot of career opportunities. That is what I'm trying to say. And people often think that having a deep voice is such a great thing at a young age, but it is not. Often it's like people just often get scared by your voice and often think that you're some performative male who is trying to get attraction of other females, and just guys just attack you. They attack you all the time. They get jealous of your voice, and that is something that is natural. And hey, here's the truth. They'll attack you not like physically, but in like every conversation they'll try to bring you down. And whenever you're playing some sort of game with them, like everybody's chilling and people are playing tamshalas or something, they'll try to make you sing, they'll try to make you speak in a way that is shrill or something like that, like just trying to prove that I'm performative and I'm not speaking through my original voice and I'm just faking it. But here's something that I always tell them, that if you think that I'm performative and I'm trying to manipulate my voice, then why not you just manipulate your voice as well? Like if it is so great and if it is so good for you, you can just do it as well. You'll get the traction. But oftentimes they cannot keep up their deep voice because they've been trying to fake it and it is not natural. So yeah, a fake natural voice a fake deep voice cannot be held more than for like 1 to 2 minutes, and after that they just उनका throat दुखने लगता है. So yeah, you've been hearing me speak continuously for like what 6 minutes now, and you just know that when people have a deep voice and when people are faking it, and it does not really seem like my face is matching with my voice, and that is something people tell you a lot, but you have to bear with it. So yeah, these were the benefits and the myths that you'll experience after having a deep voice. So yeah, and if you are interested in that split, you want my personal guidance, then link is in the comment section, and until then, own your voice.